Here are 18 doable DIYs that will elevate your bathroom without breaking the bank. A plain, boring bathroom bin instantly drags down your space's vibe. To fix this, I took some clippers and cut up a garland into smaller, handheld sections. Then I hot glued them onto the top of the trash can lid. Trust the process, it looks messy at first, but gets fuller as you go. Once I was happy with the branches, I brought it upstairs and problem solved. It now doubles as an elegant faux planter that elevates the whole room. Cluttered countertops are a constant headache, but custom bathroom storage doesn't have to cost a fortune. Just head to the container aisle at the dollar store and grab 2 white wire shelves. Flip one upside down and lay the second on top, overlapping them by about a third. Zip tie them together tightly so they're secure, then remove the rubber tips. Bend each arm to about 45 degrees and give the whole unit a coat of spray paint. Now you have the perfect wall caddy to hold rolled up towels and washcloths. Basic, mismatched bathroom storage looks cheap and uninspired. Solve it instantly by taking a short glass container with a screw-on lid and gluing a large marble right to the center of the lid. Spray paint both the glass container and the lid. Style your new jar by placing it on a small wooden cutting board from the kitchen, using it as a tray alongside your favorite beauty products. Bathroom counters quickly become a mess of stray soaps and towels. To create a stylish display, head to the garden section for a metal French garden bucket. Give it a few light coats of white spray paint. With a black paint pen, outline the bottom rim once you get a feel for the pressure. Let it dry, and then trace the lettering. Finish the paint details by outlining the top rim. Glue some old drawer knobs to the bottom as feet, then fill it with hand soap and paper towels to instantly organize your sink area. An ugly mouthwash bottle sitting on the counter ruins an otherwise polished vanity. To fix that and add instant luxury, switch it out for a chic decanter. While you're at it, fix plain, messy toilet paper rolls with a quick trick. Run the tap so a little water remains. Touch the folded tip of the paper to the tap and let the water create a beautiful seal. As it dries, it holds the fold perfectly in place for a neat, high-end look. Soggy, messy soap dishes are an absolute bathroom nightmare. Take your existing soap dish and fill it with river rocks from your local dollar store so it stays dry, neat, and organized. A swinging door can steal precious floor space in a small bathroom, but I found the perfect fix with a marketplace door. First, remove the old bathroom door. Measure the new door, then level and bolt a board to 4 studs as a header. Securing the track is easy. Using an Amazon barn door kit, just follow the instructions to hang it. Drill 4 holes into the top of the door, attach the hanging brackets, and secure them with the bolts. For privacy, apply water-bonded cling film to the glass, and your stylish sliding door is ready to go. Loose bathroom odds and ends clutter up counters fast. But don't toss your old jars. Clean them out thoroughly, then grab 2 black candle holders from the dollar store and 2 small wood knobs from the hardware store. Hot glue the knobs to the lids and glue the bottoms of the jars to the candle holders. Once dry, give the lids a coat of black spray paint. Fill the jars with your essentials and screw the lids back on for instant, high-end pedestal storage. When vertical space is wasted and clutter takes over, build a custom organizer on a dime. Grab 2 white wire baskets and a paper towel holder from Dollar Tree. Place the holder at the bottom, cut out the middle of the first basket, slide it over top, and secure it with zip ties. Cut the middle out of the second basket, slide it on, and place zip ties underneath to create a ledge for it to sit on. Reinforce with E6000 glue, spray paint your favorite color, and your double-decker storage issue is solved. Short on counter space? Solve your storage problem by building a vertical caddy using 3 small craft bins. Mark your alignment with a pencil, apply glue, and let it bond for a second. Secure the sides with glue, then reinforce everything using a staple gun. Repeat the exact same process with the second bin, and then do it again for the third bin so it sits a bit higher. Once the entire structure is reinforced and secured, finish it off with a coat of wood stain. Boring builder-grade walls desperately need character. Fix them using leftover luxury vinyl plank flooring. Start with the first plank at the top of the wall, verify its level, and secure it using a nail gun. Keep working your way down, trimming the bottom plank so it clears the waterline. To handle the raw edges, attach L brackets to 1x4 trim pieces, set them in place, level them, and nail them down for a custom focal wall. If your bathroom lacks cozy charm, add instant texture with a beadboard accent wall. Grab 2 sheets of beadboard from the hardware store, cut them to size with a table saw, and nail them up. To top it off, paint inexpensive common board and nail it over the top edge as a border. Fill any small gaps between the wood and beadboard using paintable caulking, let it dry, paint the wall, and add hooks for a gorgeous functional feature. Plain drywall behind the vanity gets splashed and damaged easily. Create a quick, waterproof backsplash with 3 bags of dollar store glass gems. Wash them in Dawn and water and let them dry. Trace guidelines from the vanity to the mirror, then spread a thin coat of mastic using a notched trowel. Press the gems in working in small sections, then mix 1 cup of grout to 21 cups of water. Push the grout into every single gap, let dry for an hour, and wipe off the excess with a wet sponge. Remove the painter's tape, apply caulk along the counter, and smooth with your finger. Deep cabinets lead to lost items, but you can build a lazy Susan to fix the chaos. Grab 4 chrome napkin holders, a paper towel holder, and plastic chopping boards. Trace the napkin holders onto the boards 4 times. Cut out the half circles and attach them to the sides of the napkin holders. Glue 2 holders to the bottom of the paper towel holder and 2 toward the top, adding zip ties for extra security once dry. Disorganized vanity counters make getting ready frustrating. To solve this, stack organizing drawers using E6000 and hot glue, letting them dry. If your mirror frames need a fix like mine did, paint over the original gold. Glue mirrors to the top and closed sides of the drawers. To create the swivel base, place marbles inside a cake pan, set a second cake pan on top, coat it with E6000, and set the drawer unit right on top. Let it dry, flip it over, and you have a smooth, rotating organizer with extra top storage. Plain, flat bathroom mirrors lack depth and character. To fix that and create a gorgeous custom frame on a budget, grab some double loop weather stripping. Cut the strips so they're slightly longer than the mirror to cover the edges completely, using an old box to help guide your cuts. To turn plain weather stripping into a stylish frame, give it a coat of paint. To finish, just peel off the double-sided tape, backing on the foam, and stick the pieces directly onto the mirror. Outdated tarnished shower fixtures ruin a bathroom, but replacing them seems impossible. Fix it yourself in a single day for under $100. Start by removing the old shower arm and shower head. Wrap the new shower arm with the included kit tape for a snug fit, and screw it in as tight as you can by hand before screwing on the new shower head. For the handle, pry off the small cover with a flathead screwdriver to expose and remove the center screw. Use the screwdriver and a razor to pop off the old plate, insert the new sticky foam gasket, and screw it down. Slide the new handle on and secure it with the bottom screw. To switch the spout, turn it upside down, loosen the hidden screw with an Allen wrench, add the adapter for the new spout, and screw it in place. Finally, use your flathead screwdriver to remove the old block-off plate. Bare builder grade mirrors look cheap, but a full replacement gets expensive fast. Solve it for just $35 using tile to create a luxurious border directly on the glass. Apply liquid nails to the back of the tiles and start mounting them to the mirror, adding extra adhesive over the mirror clips. Build a second row of tiles and work your way up the sides, using tape to hold everything in place as it dries. The next day, remove the tape and apply black caulking along the edges. Clean up the lines by wiping away excess caulk with a lint-free cloth and mineral spirits.